My name's Keith Shearer. I'm the Group Executive Chef for Macdonald Hotels. Macdonald Hotels is the largest privately owned hotel company in the UK. We've been using Procure Wizard for 18 months, a huge success from an immediate installation, and I think it's made a tremendous impact. What I think is unique about Procure Wizard in comparison to other operating systems is it's a full kitchen management system. It has a huge array of functions, from controlling waste to your food flash to stock controls to allergen data. The best element is the confidence that it brings you on your controls. It's got complete transparency, from controlling costs to purchasing to understanding theoretical GPs on menus. The technology is very straightforward. I certainly get a lot of positive feedback from the chefs about how they're embracing the technology. The Procure Wizard Flash module is a function that I use every day. The transparency that Procure Wizard gives you with that function is second to none. The recipe management system is one of the key features that I use. It allows me to create generic specs, have complete transparency on costs, on margins, be able to demonstrate theoretical GPs, and I would recommend it to any chef. A lot of the trainers are from the hotel industry, so they understand and there's an empathy with what the operational challenges are. I think it's improved our brand standards, and it's certainly improved our profitability. Other systems that I've used are Star Chef, Force Hospitality I've used quite intensively in other positions, but I don't think they do everything well. What Procure Wizard does differently is all the management systems well. Without question, the best system I've worked with. If you want a comprehensive management system, go with Procure Wizard.